Imagine this, you wake up tomorrow and your study plan is done, your resume sounds amazing, your Instagram posts are ready, and even your weekly meals are planned. That's not magic, it's ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you 4 advanced prompt styles with real-life examples that make ChatGPT your personal assistant for schoolwork, business, and even everyday life. Stick around because at the end, I'll drop a bonus hack that'll make ChatGPT feel less like an app and more like your real assistant. Have you ever received an answer from ChatGPT that felt rushed or slightly off? That's because it often tries to give you the final answer directly. But what if you could guide its thinking process just like showing your work in a math problem? This is where chain of thought prompts come in. These powerful prompts force ChatGPT to think step by step, breaking down complex requests into a logical sequence before delivering the final answer. This simple tweak dramatically improves the quality, accuracy, and depth of its responses, preventing it from taking mental shortcuts. Let's look at a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a student staring at that textbook, trying to wrap your head around a complex topic like photosynthesis. Instead of just asking, "What is photosynthesis?" which might give you a generic, hard-to-digest definition, you can use a chain of thought prompt to create a personalized learning experience. Try this. Explain my biology chapter on photosynthesis in simple steps, like I'm 12 years old. First, break it down into key definitions, then explain the light-dependent and light-independent stages of the process, and finally, provide 3 real-world examples. After you've explained it, quiz me with 5 practice questions to test my understanding. Notice the structure. You're not just asking for information, you're dictating the entire learning flow. This technique isn't just for studying. Let's say you're a content creator or blogger facing a blank page. You need to write a helpful article, but you're not sure where to start. A chain of thought prompt can transform you from stuck to structured in seconds. For instance, I want to write a blog post titled "How to Save Money as a Student." First, act as a financial advisor and brainstorm 5 main categories of student savings. Next, create a detailed step-by-step outline for the blog post based on these categories. Finally, using that outline, write the full 1,000-word article in an engaging and friendly tone. This multi-step command ensures the final article is well-researched and logically structured. By guiding the AI's thought process, you move from getting messy, unpredictable answers to receiving perfectly organized learning modules or meticulously structured written content. You're essentially transforming ChatGPT from a simple answer machine into a methodical collaborator that builds the response with you piece by piece. This gives you unparalleled control and ensures the final output is exactly what you need. Next up are self-correcting prompts. Think of this technique as building a quality control expert directly into your request. It's like having ChatGPT be your personal editor. It doesn't just create the content, it then immediately steps back, critiques its own work based on your criteria, and refines it. This powerful feedback loop saves you from doing multiple rounds of edits because you're tasking the AI with both the initial creation and the crucial polishing stage all in one go. It's a way to leverage the AI's analytical power, not just its creative ability. Let's see this in action. For a job seeker trying to stand out, you could prompt, "Write a resume summary for a fresh computer science graduate." The AI might produce something generic, but then you add the self-correction. Then review it, point out what sounds weak or generic, and rewrite it to sound stronger and more results-oriented. The AI will then identify its own passive language and transform it into an impactful statement that highlights specific projects and skills, turning a standard summary into a compelling professional pitch. Or consider a small business owner trying to boost their social media presence. The prompt could be, "Write 3 Instagram captions for my new handmade lavender candle." Then check which one is weakest for engagement and rewrite it in a trendier, more conversational style that asks a question. The AI will generate the options, analyze them against the goal of engagement, and then upgrade the least effective one. It might add storytelling, a direct question to spark comments, and relevant trending hashtags, instantly improving its marketing potential. By using self-correcting prompts, you're teaching the AI to have a higher standard for its own output. This way, the AI doesn't just write for you, it actively collaborates with you to improve what it wrote. delivering a much more polished and effective final product from a single command. Automation prompts are my favorite. You set them up and ChatGPT does the heavy lifting while you sleep. For students, generate 5 study plans for my math exam next week. Each should include daily topics, study hours, and revision breaks. For fitness creators, create 10 Instagram reel ideas about home workouts. For each, include a hook, caption, and trending hashtag. Wake up to ready to go study guides or content ideas. Next is self-improving prompts, where ChatGPT takes on the role of its own editor. For fitness, write a 7-day beginner home workout plan. Then analyze it for unrealistic parts and rewrite it for someone with only 20 minutes a day. For students, write an essay on climate change in 300 words. Then critique it for clarity and fix any weak arguments. It's like having an AI coach who makes your work better and more realistic. Finally, we have retention and planning prompts, where ChatGPT can be used as a planner. For a small business, plan a 30-day Instagram content calendar for my bakery. Include reels, stories, and carousel posts with themes and hashtags. For writers, create a 1-month blog plan with 8 articles. Include catchy titles, target keywords, and word counts. Now you're not just getting ideas, you're getting a full roadmap. And here's a bonus hack anyone can use. Plan my entire week. 3 healthy meal prep ideas, 2 workout suggestions, 2 productivity hacks, and 1 relaxing activity. Format it as a daily schedule. Boom, you just turned ChatGPT into your personal life assistant. And there you have it. We've just unlocked 4 powerful advanced ChatGPT prompt styles plus that game-changing bonus hack. This is about moving beyond simple questions and transforming ChatGPT into a true strategic partner. We saw how chain of thought prompting gives you transparent, step-by-step answers perfect for debugging code or planning a project. Then, self-correcting prompts act as your personal quality control, refining outputs for incredible accuracy. We turned ChatGPT into a tireless assistant with automation prompts, handling repetitive tasks like generating social media calendars to free up your time. We also created a feedback loop with self-improving prompts, teaching the AI to deliver consistently higher quality. With retention and planning prompts, we built long-term conversations, turning ChatGPT into a project manager that remembers every detail. And finally, the Life Assistant bonus combined these to create a truly personalized AI. The key isn't to master them all at once. The magic happens when you start small. Pick just one of these methods, the one that resonates most with your current challenges. Give it a try today. I promise, once you experience this level of control, your perspective on AI will fundamentally shift. If this guide has opened your eyes to new possibilities, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more advanced AI strategies. I genuinely want to know which prompt style are you most excited to try first. Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's build a community of power users together. I'll see you in the next one.